to my channel. Here we are going to be working on this object, and what we are to do is to produce its orthographic views in first angle projection, and the direction of view or the direction of the front elevation is the direction of this arrow X. So that means we are going to be drawing what we see on this surface as the front elevation. And what do we see on this surface? For us to get the front elevation of this object, you can see this square, these two squares that we have here, and then this rectangle is part of it, and then this surface will also be part of it, and then this rectangle will be part of it. And then looking at the dimensions that we have here, so we have this is square of length 20 millimeters, and then for this part that we have here, so we have the distance from here to here to be 30, and then so the total length from here to here is 90, as you can see here. And then so we have that for this rectangle that we have here, so we have that distance from here to here will be something like so we have here, this is 35, that will be 20, so it is 20 millimeters. Okay, so the height is 60 millimeters from here to here, 60 millimeters. So let's quickly work on this and see what we are going to get for the front elevation for the plan and also for the left end elevation. So let's go and quickly see that. So the first thing that I'm going to do here is the first thing that I'm going to do here, I'm going to so with my set square, so I'm trying to get my set square. Okay, all right, so the first thing that I'm going to do here is to draw a horizontal line. So I will draw horizontal line, so all to this direction, do that this direction. Then I'm going to be so I'll come here and draw a vertical line. So we have this vertical line like this. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to be taking some measurements, and then so for the measurement that we are going to be taking, I need to get my ruler. Okay, so let me make use of this. So we for the two squares, so first of all take a measurement of 60 millimeters. So 60 millimeters up here, this is 60. Then I will take a measurement coming here. I'm going to draw the horizontal line along this distance that I'm taking, so all to this side. Okay, so then I will take a measurement of 20 millimeters here. So this is 20 millimeters, and then so I will take 50 millimeters. So and then I will come here and take another 20 millimeters. So this makes everything to be 90 millimeters. So here I will draw a vertical line like this. Okay, so then I'm going to take a measurement of 20 millimeters along this part. So this is 20 millimeters. Then I'm going to draw horizontal line. So horizontal line, so I'll draw horizontal line, so all through, because of the end elevation that you want to draw. Alright, so then for the square, so for the square that we have, so of length 20, so we have this, and then we also have this. Okay, alright, so then so the next thing that we are going to do here, so next thing that we are going to do here, as we have here, so this line, we have already gotten this line, so let's bring out this particular rectangle. So what we are to do in this case is that we are going to be taking a measurement of 35. So this is 35 millimeters from that end, and from this end I will also take 35 millimeters. So the balance in the middle here is 20, and then I will also take a measurement of so looking at the thickness here, so I mean from here to here, so looking at this, I think this will give me something like 15 millimeters from here to here. The dimension is not there, but I'll just take it from here to here. as 15 millimeters. So I have to take a measurement of 15 millimeters down. So this is 15 millimeters. So we have it here. Then I'm going to draw horizontal line all through this. Then that rectangle in the middle, I will draw it. So this is it. Okay. Then we also have it here. Then other things that we have here, so for this rectangle that we have here, so this line is giving us this vertical line. That's how we're going to see it. And this one will also give us this vertical line. So other things that I'm going to see here for this rectangle, so we have that the height is from here to here is what is 30. So we have to take that 30 for us to get that rectangle out. So this is 30 millimeters. So here now, so I'm going to draw horizontal line. So we draw horizontal line. So alright, so then we are going to draw a vertical line for us to complete that rectangle. So for this rectangle, I will make it a thick line at once from here to here. Okay. Then we also make this a thick line. Alright, so and then so we make this a thick line. And then the whole of this line is a thick line. Alright, so I'll pause the video and bring out the shape. Alright, so I've brought out the shape of the front elevation, but there's something that we need to put here. So we have a cut under here, and the distance from here to here is 10 millimeters. So it will be hidden from us in the front elevation for this part and also for this part that we have here. Even this line that we have here, this line is not supposed to be a thick line because so this is at the same level with this. So this 30 millimeters that I took here is not correct. So I need to correct it. So I'm going to I need to erase this line. Okay, so the line is not here. Okay, so it is not here. So I need to erase it. Okay. Alright, so I use Tipex, and then this line I also need to erase it because that 30 it comes up a little bit. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is that I need to take a measurement of 10 millimeters. So 10 millimeters here, this is 10 millimeters. Then I'm going to draw horizontal line. So I'll draw horizontal line. So that 30 millimeters that we are going to take is start from this 10 millimeters line. Okay. Alright, so I need to take, so from this line I will take 30 millimeters up. So this is 30 millimeters. So now, so we can now draw to bring out the rectangle. So we are going to draw from here to here. Okay, so and then so this line also will make it a thick line. So make this line a thick line from here to here. So while for this part it will be a short dashes line. Okay, so here also it will be a short dashes line. So it is not visible in the front elevation. Alright, so we have this. So this line, so we have to make this line a thick line all through to this end. And we also make this line a thick line all to this end. Okay, so we have the shape of the front. So this is what we have for the front elevation. Now let's go for the top view or the plan. So we are going to see this shape here as part of the plan. We see this surface. Okay, so these two parts, so this surface here and this surface will give us the top view. So the distance from here to here is 80 millimeters, and then we are going to have this part so hidden here in the top view, and also this will also be hidden in the top view. and then we also have that distance from here to here is 20 millimeters. So those are things that we are going to put together to get the plan or the top view of this object. So first of all, we need to draw a vertical line. So we draw a vertical line from this point, and also from this point we draw a vertical line. I also need to come here and draw this line down here like this, and also from this point I will draw a vertical line down. Then this point I will take a vertical line down. Okay, then I'm going to move a little bit down the front elevation. Then I will draw this horizontal line so it goes to both sides. Then I'm going to take a measurement of 20 millimeters. So 20 millimeters. So like this. Okay. So I will draw horizontal line here. Draw horizontal line here like this. And then so there's another thing that we have here that I need to. So distance from here to here is also 20 millimeters. So I need to come down from here and take a measurement of 20 millimeters. So this is 20 millimeters here. Okay. So I will need to extend this line because I still need 40 millimeters. So I will take this line down. So also I will take this down. So take this line down. Then I will take this line down. So also this one. And then we also have this. Alright, so then the total length is 80 millimeters. So that 80 millimeters will be taken from here, from this point here. So this is 80. So here I will draw horizontal line. Okay, so horizontal line like this. And then I'll come to this point. I will also draw horizontal line, so to both sides. And then, so the next thing that we have here is that, so looking at the given view, okay, so the thickness from here to here is 15. So we have this to be 15. This also is 15. So I will take 15. So it is from this end that I will take 15 millimeters. So down here, okay. Then I will also come here and take 15 millimeters up. So this is 15 millimeters here. Then I'm going to draw horizontal line at this point. So draw horizontal line from this marking. Then I will come here also and draw horizontal line like this. Okay, so we have this now. So everything that we need is already here. So what we need to do now is to bring out that shape that will give us the top view of this object. So let me bring it up for us to see it. So let's just put it here so that we can see it together. Okay, so what we have to do now is to bring out the thickness of the part. So for this line that we have here, so this is it. So we make this a thick line from here to here. Okay, so I believe you can see it. And then so for this part that we have here, so let me just put the T-square down. So we have what we have, this line here that we have here. So we have this line, and then so another thing that I'm looking at is this part that we have here. Okay, so I'm looking at this line. So this line that we have here, so the distance from so we don't know the distance from here to here. Okay, that is another thing that we have here. Alright, so let's still work on the ones that so we also have this line here. Okay, so let's make this a thick line. So all through from here, so it is from here down. So this line is a thick line, and also for this one, so we make this a thick line all through from here down. Okay, then so other thing that we have here is that, so the one of 20, so this is where we have that 20. So we are going to make this a thick line from here to here. And then So this line will be a thick line from here to here, and this line will be a thick line from here to here. Okay, so then this line, so we make it a thick line, then we also make this a thick line. Alright, so other thing that we have to put here, so we are going to have this line to be drawn with short dashes line. Okay, and then so there's a line here, so that is this line, so to be drawn with short dashes line. So we have this, and then we also have it here, drawn with short dashes line. Okay, so this line that we have here, this line is away from this, and the distance from here to this point, so if we have that from here to here is 15, so from here to here also will be 15 millimeters, that's 30 millimeters. So we have to take a measurement. So I'm just, okay, so where that 30 millimeters will be, that's my concern. So we take 30 millimeters from here. Okay, that it is 30. So we take it, so from here we take 30 to this point. So we are going to draw a horizontal line. So with this square, so we draw a horizontal line through this. Alright, so the line is here, so we make it a thick line, so from here to here. So then this line will be made thick, and then this line will also make it a thick line from here to this end. Alright, so I think everything has been put in place. Everything has been put in place. So here we have the top view. So now let's go for the end elevation, and we are only drawing the left end elevation, which will be placed on the right side, because these views are being drawn in first angle orthographic projection. So with the 45-degree set square, so being set at this point on the front elevation, so we are to draw a line in this direction. So we have this line. So all these lines we are going to draw a vertical line from each point where this inclined line intersect the horizontal lines that we drew out of the front of the plan. Okay, so these are the points. So I'm dotting them out. So we are going to draw a vertical line from each point. So starting from this, so we draw a vertical line up here, and then coming to this point, we also draw a vertical line like this, and then this point also we draw a vertical line. Okay, so coming to this point here, so we draw a vertical line, and then at this point, okay, so we draw a vertical line. Okay, so I may not take it up, but I've taken that up, so we draw a vertical line here, and at this point also, so here we draw a vertical line. So let's see the shape. So let's see the shape of the end elevation. So the shape of the end elevation. So here we have what? Here we have we are going to have a shape like this, but the shape that we have here is what we want to produce. So this will be turned, it will be turned to this side like this. So let's bring it out. So first of all, we are going to have something like this. So here, around here, so let's bring it out. So starting from for this, from here to here, that is from here to here. So let's get that, and that is from here to here. So the first point is here, okay, and then we have the other one here, okay. So we are going to have a thick line all through here. So let's draw that. So first of all, so have this line drawn as a thick line down to this point here, okay, and then so we have this line to be a thick line from here to here. Alright, so and then so the next thing that we have here is that we are going to draw this line. We are going to draw this line here. So this line is connected to this point, so it is connected to the point that we have here. So it is connected to this point. So this point that we have here, so we have it at this point. We have it at this point. This is the point. So we have it, so it's connected. So we are going to draw that slant line. So we have it. So we draw it as a slant line. So it is from here to here. Alright, so we already have the line. So we're also going to make this line a thick line from here to here. Alright, so then other thing that we have here, so there is a shape that we have here. So this particular shape that we have here, so it will give us a right angle triangle like this on this face. So how do we get it? So if you follow this line, okay, so getting to this point, so we go up like this. So this is where we have it. So we have it here. So it goes like this. Okay, then alright, so we have it there. So then so the next thing that we are going to have here is, so this part that is cut, so follow this, and then we have it here, and then so the other one that we have here, so we have it at this point. So we are going to join this line together like this, and then so we have this one as a vertical line, it's a thick line, and then we also have this as a thick line. So this line now make it a thick line, and then we make this also a thick line. So what else do we have here? So what else do we have here that we need to draw? Okay, alright, so so we have this corner here. So this corner here, so where do we have that corner? So I have already seen it, so I need to draw a horizontal line. So from this point, okay, so the line is what? The line is, so we have it along this part, so and it goes to this point, so it is from here down. So we are going to draw the line. So from here, so we have it as short dashes line to be hidden from us. Okay, so this is it. Alright, so looking at what we have here, so I can say that we have completed the left end elevation. So here we have the left end elevation here. So these are the orthographic views of this object. I think it took us time because of some things that we need to get out ourselves. So that is the importance of practicing this work and solving different problems when it's come to orthographic projection. So all you have to do is to practice, and when you practice, become a master at this work. Thank you, keep on practicing, and God bless you.